Welcome back to the channel. This is the most famous part of the chicken, is the chicken feet worldwide. And today we're going to show you how to cut the nails off using a knife. It's probably a little bit easier using a kitchen shear, but the knife is easier for me. Pretty much you want to go ahead and just locate the nails and just use your knife, preferably having a sharp knife, and just cut them off. Like I said, it takes a long time, but it's so delicious in like soup or stew, or some people just, I see people grill them. Never had it that way, but definitely in stew. So you just go ahead and take your knife and cut the nails off. And pretty much once you cut the nails off, you're gonna go ahead and see how they look. And chicken feet is actually very expensive. It's like somewhere like $3.99 a pound. Like that, it's extremely delicious. Great flavor and has a lot of gelatin texture to it. So just gonna go ahead and just use your knife. And like I said, just cut the tips off pretty much. Try not to take too much of the meat off because there's not a lot of meat in the first place. So you want to try not to take too much off. And I'm just showing you some that we did already. Like I said, just put your knife on the tip, cut them off. Like I said, a kitchen shear will be a lot easier, but I'm good using a knife. So, and I think you could definitely ask most places that you buy your chicken feet, they will take the nails off for you. Some places do.